Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So what you see behind me, all this Colgate, I got completely free at Walgreens this week. And it was so easy. If you're new to Walgreens or you're a beginner couponer, you definitely want to check out these deals because you can do them too. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. I have a really simple, easy Walgreens deal for you to do and get all of this Colgate for completely free. All right, let's talk about what's going on with the Colgate. So Colgate, it doesn't matter whether you buy the toothbrushes, the toothpaste, or the Optic White mouthwash or any of the mouthwashes that qualify back there. They're all on sale for $3.99 each this week. When you buy two, you're going to get $4 back in Walgreens cash. So what I did was I bought two of the toothbrushes. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Load that coupon and then get $4 back in Walgreens cash, and you're going to get these for completely free. Same thing here with the total Colgate toothpaste. So you grab two of these. These are also on sale for $3.99 each. There are $2 off 1 digital coupons. I've actually had 2 of them. So check your counts. Make sure you also have 2 of them. So 2 off 1, 2 off 1. And then there was $4 back in Walgreens cash for grabbing 2 of these, making these completely free. And last but not least, same exact deal. We have the Colgate mouthwashes. These are on sale for $3.99 each. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Load that digital coupon and get $4 back from Walgreens cash, making completely free. So really awesome deal. Let me show you the receipt real quick. Okay, I actually did this in a pickup order, which is super simple and easy. One of the best ways. I recommend it. And on top of it, I did use Rakuten in order to get all of this. So I should get some money back from Rakuten as well, making it probably a bit of a money maker. So anyway, as you can see, I have the Colgate Optic White mouthwash, or sorry, that's the toothpaste there. We have the mouthwash and we have the toothbrushes. I'm not real sure exactly what they all are, but they're all there. Okay, so everything there, again, everything is $3.99, and you can see we have the 2 off coupons for the toothpaste, 4 off for the mouthwash, and 4 off for the toothbrushes. So subtotal is going to be $11.94. I'm actually getting back $12 in Walgreens cash. Now, I did have sales tax of $1.44, so it's a little bit out of pocket. So the total came to $13.38. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and then I paid the rest of it down, $3.38, and I got back $12 in Walgreens cash, which is awesome. And then once my Rakuten comes back, I'm not real sure where I'm at. I'll do the math. I'll throw it up here for you. And hopefully we see this is completely free with tax, but if not, all I'm doing is paying just a couple of cents in tax for all of this, completely free. Awesome, awesome deal. So excited. Let me know in the comments if you're going to do this Walgreens deal. If you're new couponer and you're new to Walgreens, this is an easy, simple deal to get started, and I definitely recommend it.